Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna learn how to change and customize the folder right here. Oops, let's change the settings. Change the to orange. Okay, this one. We're gonna change this icon to whatever you like. Okay, let's start. First we gotta search for a transparent background image. In my example, let's try Captain America transparent background. Okay, then click images. Okay, let's select any PNG file with a transparent background. Okay, this looks better, I think. Okay, let's try this one. Click save image. Save. Then the next thing is you need to convert the image. Try this. Search PNG to ICO converter. Okay, you can select whatever you want here. You can select the first one. I'll select this one as an example. Okay, choose file. Here's the download Captain America shield. Okay, converting. Let's press convert, then wait for it to finish. Okay, then done, then click download. Okay, there you go. It's finished. It's already converted to an ICO from PNG to ICO. Then let's test this one. Click properties, right click on your mouse, then customize. Then next is change icon here. Then browse, then just your converted PNG to ICO file. Click this one. I put it in the download. Okay. Click open, then OK, then click apply, then OK again. There you go. See that it's changed. It's working now. Well, it's looking good, right? You can do whatever you want. You can try it for yourself. You can do the anime, whatever you like, or whatever you want. Or again, let's try it one more time. Let's again try the Spider-Man transparent background. It's very important to get a transparent background, so make sure to search, then put a transparent on your keyword. Okay, let's search. Okay, let's search down. Okay. Okay, let's try this one. This one's cute. Okay, right click, then save image. Save it to the download file folder. Sorry. Then go to the online converter from PNG to ICO. Choose file. Then click the Spider-Man icon. Then click convert. Then wait the process to finish. Converting. Then click download. Will automatically download below here. Then again, same process. Right click. Go to properties. Then customize. Then change icon. Then browse your file, your ICO file here. Click that. Then open. Okay, then OK again. Then click apply. And OK, then there you go. Ooh, nice. It's very nice. Well, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.